Welcome to 1 for 9 Pearl Street, a charming home in the heart of Carmel, Indiana, offering comfort and convenience in a prime location. Step inside to a bright and inviting living space, perfect for relaxing or gathering with friends and family. Access the garage that provides secure parking and extra storage. The dining area flows seamlessly into the living space, ideal for meals and entertaining. A functional kitchen with plenty of cabinet and counter space makes cooking easy and enjoyable. A well-appointed bathroom offers both style and practicality. A cozy bedroom, perfect for guests, a home office, or personal use. The spacious primary suite features a private en suite bathroom for added comfort and privacy. Another versatile bedroom to meet your family's needs. This home blends an open, functional layout with a fantastic Carmel location, just minutes from the Monon Trail, parks, and shopping.